Hey guys, so in a previous video I installed these tube fenders and I didn't like the lights that came with the tube fenders. It was just a 2-wire light. It's a real pain to try to get it wired up with the running light and the blinker. So I ordered me some LED lights from Metalcloak. I'll put a link in the description. The lights that come with it have all the hardware that you're looking for. Comes with everything you need, as well as instructions on their website. Should wire right in so that I can have a running light and a blinker. It's a real simple process. Let's just jump into it. So this here is the lights that I got from Metalcloak. It comes with the 2 lights, all your hardware and connectors, as well as some extra wire. When I put it in my cart, it suggested if I was going to be using these for blinkers, that I should get the LED flasher as well to fix any flashing issues. So I went ahead and ordered that as well. And we're going to be putting that in as well. I'll put a link for this flasher in the description as well. So we're going to want to peel back some of our wire covering here. And once we get it pulled back a ways, we're going to go ahead and cut what we got here. Now in order to find out what's what here, we have a flash, ground, and a hot wire. We can look in the book, or if you can't find it in the book, we can also test it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my lights and see what's what here. So with my other lead connected to ground, we see we don't have any power there. We don't have any power there. We have power there. So we're going to call that our hot wire. That is our wire that runs to our running lights. So now that I've turned on my flashers, we're going to repeat the same process. We've got nothing on that one. And this one here, it's going up and down. So it's safe to assume that that is our flasher. So now we know this is our live wire or running light. This is our flasher, and this one here is our ground. So next we're going to strip our wires and put our connectors in. Okay, so now we can go ahead and connect our wiring to test it out. I know from reading the instructions from Metalcloak that white is our ground, black is our running light, and red is our flasher. So we're going to go ahead and connect them up and test them out. Okay, so now that we know that it works, it's time to poke it through our hole. Alright, so now that it's all done, you want to go ahead and push your wires back into your loom where you can. We're going to go ahead and cut it right here. And then wrap it up in electrical tape all the way down. And now that that's taken care of, we can just take and zip tie this up out of the way. Alright. This side is all set. All you got to do is repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, so to change our flasher, the flasher is actually located underneath this little column panel here. So what you're going to want to do is remove your screws from underneath to split the column pieces. So now that that piece is removed, this here is actually your flasher. So you're going to want to pull that one out and just put your new flasher in. And there it is in place. Alright, and that is it. Our lights are working great. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.